My motivation for building the Jacob Gray Custom 1911 actually started about 5 or 6 years ago when a family member challenged me to make a better 1911 than what they currently owned. I took a look at the custom guns that were on the market, and I thought I could improve on this process using the aerospace technology that I currently use when making parts for the aerospace industry. I'm also a patriot, firm believer in the Second Amendment, and I wanted the Jacob Gray Custom 1911 to project the values of our freedoms, and I feel like our model line accurately reflects that. In order to achieve the values that I wanted in a 1911, I knew that it had to start with the manufacturing process. Every Jacob Gray Custom 1911 is cut from solid billet steel. We never use castings or forgings. Each gun is custom made one at a time on a proprietary system that we're proud of. During the machining process, our proprietary system allows us to cut each gun one at a time using a solid block of billet steel. By using a solid block of billet steel, all parts of the gun come out of that block, which means that every part is match cut. We cut all of our guns the same direction every time. What this does is this relieves the stress in the same direction. This prolongs the life of the gun because it'll let us see if there's any cracks or stress or anything like that. Our proprietary system allows us to remove the firearm and put it on a CMM machine and measure, comparing back to the model to make sure that everything is within tolerance. After the manufacturing and quality control process, the gun then goes to the fluorescent penetrant inspectant line. There, it is put under a test which allows us to see stress and cracks in the gun that you would only see after long-term use. We're able to see that now using FPI technology.
After the manufacturing process is complete and all the quality control checks are in place, every Jacob Gray custom firearm is assembled by hand. Over 100 hours of manufacturing and hand assembly go into each weapon. Each gun is hand assembled, disassembled, finished, reassembled by hand, tested, and fired, thereby ensuring a quality standard for every handgun.
We know that there are a lot of guns on the market, some costing a lot less than our guns and some costing a lot more. But if you want a gun crafted at the highest industry standards that will bring you a lifetime of pleasure, not just for you, but for your grandchildren as well, you will not find more value than in a Jacob Gray custom firearm.